Today I brought in a Yamatji cassette tape, which is very near and dear to my heart. Having an old school cassette tape, it just puts that moment in time. My connection to the object is my mom being so proud of her culture. My mom would always just talk about making sure we knew who our mob was, what tribe we're from. So I just felt very connected with it, and it just sat with me. For me, I feel like one of the most influential songs from the album is Treaty. So it's just something that you would hear at like current events now, all the way back in the early 90s, 80s when the song came out. So I feel like the song is just so powerful. And when I think about being a Yamatji woman, I think of power, I think of just being very grounded in my identity. I would love for people to feel nostalgia and connected, community. That song just makes me feel like family. Saturday or Sunday when my mom's growling at us to like sweep up or dust the bookshelf while I have the whole Yamatji album playing in the background.